See it? I just ran into CVS real quick before work to do a great laundry deal.
Touch the continue button.
Just headed out of CVS and I came up with this deal off the top of my head. I purchased one Tide Pods, 42 count, like I said, pods for $13.49, and there was a $3 off coupon. Then I purchased one Downy Unstoppables, and those had a $2 off coupon. They were $13.49. And I purchased one Gain softener for $5.49 with a $1 off coupon. I did the spend 30 get 10. I had $13 in ECBs plus $2 off of any purchase. So technically I had like $15 off my total. So as you see, for all of these items with my ECBs, I only paid $11.35 plus tax. $11.35 plus tax. But you guys, look what I got back for doing the deal. I received a $10 ECB for next week's deals.